Hi guys, in this video we will have a visual design case study. If you remember, in previous videos we talked about a peer learning platform, and this is the design that we had with Figma. It was one of my projects that I did in the past, and imagine this one that our product designer created, and now we want to create the same thing with Visily. Let's see how we can do that. To manage time, I already wrote the prompt that we needed. So this is the prompt that we want to use, creating main learner panel. And in this prompt, first I explained the context of the peer learning platform, and then I said, for example, display a list of learning groups the learner is a member of with all their data fields, and of course the buttons that we need to have on the page and other required information. Okay, so the tips and tricks here is that the more detail you give to Visily, the better result you will achieve. So let's just use this one. I will put it here. Okay, and let's see the result. As this is a little bit lengthy prompt, it will take a few minutes to create the draft design. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the draft visual design that Visily AI created. It's not bad, but we need to do some tuning and refinement to enhance the quality of the design. Okay, for example, here on top, as you can see, I don't want to have the Scrum school or the style and layout of data on each group. And of course here, if we wanted to compare it with Figma design, here we have the three dots on top of the intergroup button, and of course we had private public label here. Okay, cool. So let's go another iteration and see how we can improve this one. To do so, I select this screen and put my prompt. Just again, because of the time management, I already prepared the prompt and I just pasted it here. I said for each record, put these data fields on one row: group organizer, group creation date, group language, and the capacity, and other things more than that. Put group type public, private above the intergroup button, and so on. And also I said that this is the exact code of the color, and I want this one because in previous prompt I just said the primary color is purple, but I want to have it exactly based on our design that we had on Figma. So let's see. It's done. Let's see the result. As you can see, that's not bad. So let's add it to the board. Okay guys, this is the result of our prompt, and as you can see, we have it here. It's much better than the previous design, previous page. And okay, now we have 5 learning groups, and of course the color has changed. And let's check. Yes, the layout of these fields are based on whatever I expected. Okay, cool. So now I want to do some edit manually, and let's, for example, let me get a copy of this one. Let's make a duplicate of it to see the manual edit as well. Okay, I want to remove this item. Yeah, I don't want it because we have it once in the left hand side. That's okay. And then probably here we can, just a moment, uh, let's check it. Let's put this one, home learner panel. Mhm. So then I open it here and I want to add a text, home learner panel. Learner panel. Yeah, something like this. And then this one, let's make them a little bit more arranged. For example, let me drag them down here, and this one, this one, this one. Okay, cool. And now I want to add a header for each section, and then this one as well. Okay, let's call it um, learner items, something like this, or this, and this one general. Yeah, general items. Okay, and even we can drag them down a little bit. Okay, it's better now. Cool. And what else we can do? Let me change this color as well. The background, I don't want the background color. Okay, let's use this one. But the text color, let's make it this one. Yes, and of course the border one. Okay, the border. Let's see, for example, this one. I don't know. Yes. Oh, what's happened? Oh, probably because of the thickness of it. You can use this one. Yes, that's okay now. So, maybe under the design we can drag these things up. Of course, this one and this one. Let's put them here as well. Yeah, and finally this one. Okay, that's much better. And guys, you can see how flexible you are with manual editing. So you start your design by creating the draft version with the help of AI. It is around 70 to 80% of the work, and then you can edit it manually to polish it, refine it, and make the final work. Yeah. Okay guys, in this step we want to add a form to create a new learning group. I already created its prompt. As you can see here, I said add a new screen to create a learning group. It is a pop-up form with this title and a divider line under it. Create new group. And then I continued. This form has the following data inputs: group name, which is a simple text box; group type, which is a radio option with two options, public, private; language, which is a drop down, and so on. And finally, the main color is this color. So let's use this prompt and see the result. Okay, it is done. Let's see the preview. Yeah, it did a decent job. Okay, cool. Let's add it to the board. Okay, as you can see, it has been added to the board, and let's check it. Yes, again, it has done a great job. Maybe a few small, changes. For example, let's change it to 10 members because this is the maximum capacity of a team. And then this one is okay. Maybe the color of the button, let's change it to this color, and let's drag it a little bit and put it in between, in the middle. Now that's better. Okay, so very simple guys, you see. And now with just a few steps of the combination of AI help and manual tuning, we could create something that if we didn't have such a powerful service, probably we would have spent a lot of time. And I remember in that project it took us a few weeks to create all the design of the peer learning platform. To be honest, from my point of view, it's a real revolution. Yeah. So we as product owners and product managers should learn these capabilities of AI and benefit from them. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video.